Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You should start by confirming prerequisites: Flutter SDK installed and Flutter Doctor clean. Once done, create a responsive scaffold and wrap content with safe area. This prevents system intrusions. Then add media query and layout builder immediately so you read available width and height. Make sure to define clear breakpoints for phone, tablet, and desktop for consistent behavior. You'll now have the first actionable setup that reads device constraints and prepares adaptive layouts without guessing screen sizes. Now implement adaptive layouts by branching on Layout Builder constraints. Choose a column for narrow widths and a grid or row for wider screens. Once decided, scale text using media query. Text scale factor and set responsive font sizes tied to width or height. This keeps legibility. Make sure to use flexible, expanded, and fractionally sized box rather than hard pixel sizes so children adapt fluidly. Also enforce aspect ratios for images and cards. You want components to behave predictably across breakpoints. Finish by testing across devices, orientations, and different text scale settings to confirm responsiveness. Once done, optimize performance. Minimize rebuilds with const constructors, use keys where needed, and cache large images to prevent jank. Make sure to handle edge cases like nested scrollables and keyboard insets. If something goes wrong, inspect parent constraints with the Flutter inspector and verify that no ancestor forces fixed sizes. That single check often reveals the misbehaving widget, causing layout overflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.